woke up this morning with a voice in my head, said the fish are jumping, why are you in bed? Said I can't go fishing, I gotta work, and if my wife found out I'd be in for some hurt. Come on, it said, your boss is a louse, just keep your head down and sneak on out. I tried to resist, I tried to refrain, till that voice got up and sang. Today is a fishing day, don't care what my boss or wife might say. Today is a fishing day. I snuck out the back door with my pole and my gear, hooked up the boat and the coast was cleared. I almost forgot, how could I forget my lucky fishing hat? Went back for my hat, got in my truck, my wife saw me leaving, just my luck. I tried to resist, I tried to refrain, then I waved goodbye and sang. Today is a fishing day, don't matter what my boss or you might say. Today is a fishing day. The fish were biting, it was hotter than hell, the beer was cold and the boat ran well. The rest of the world, they can kiss my tail. Drove home slowly, for fear I might find the road covered in landmines. Stopped and got flowers, cigar from my boss,